look. I just got done washing my face and everything. So the first thing I do is prime my face. And I use this primer. Fenty Beauty primer. Yes, it's called True Matte Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. I have oily skin, so this primer works for me. And I love Rihanna, that's my girl, so you know what I'm saying. You know I'm on the way, I'm on the Fenty Beauty wave. Next thing I'm gonna do is my brows. And for my brows, I just use a simple like eye pencil. Really, this one says lip liner, but it works either way for me. It looks like this. I got this one from the beauty supply for literally 99 cents. If y'all see me looking like down here or like right above the camera, it's because my mirror's right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Okay, right now they look really thick, but like that's just because I haven't concealed them yet, so I'm gonna conceal right now. For my concealer, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro, and I don't use this little tip because I don't feel like I get enough control with that, so I just like will dot some onto like something and dip it with my brush and then conceal it because that works better for me. Do y'all see that eyebrow? I'm not even done yet, but like it's looking good already, okay? Bueno. Now I'm gonna blend it out, and what I like to do with my blending sponge is wet it, and I feel like it just blends better. But maybe that's just me. You don't have to wet it. Eyebrows are honestly like one of my favorite parts because like, I mean, I've been doing them for a long time. I've been doing my eyebrows since high school, and I actually won best eyebrows for the senior superlatives at my school. They had a category for best eyebrows, and I literally won best eyebrows for females in the whole senior class. So you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to brag or nothing, but I do pride myself on doing some good eyebrows. To take this eyebrow gel, it's by Benefit. It's called Gimme Brow. The wording is kind of scrubbed off because I had this for a while, but I just take this and I just go over it and kind of just put the brow in place and then comb out the front hairs to give it that like look that makes it look like it's like faded. It makes it look more natural to me because it's always, your eyebrow is always thicker at the end and then more, you know, thinner at the front. And then I do the same thing to this one. So now we're moving into foundation. And let me tell you what I'm using. Again, I'm using my Fenty Beauty. I got this December, so I just started using this. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Like I said, I have oily skin, so I need matte foundation because if I don't, my skin is going to be literally, you can see the oil on my face, like all up here, all here, all here. You can see oil just accumulating and sitting on my face, and it looks nasty.
Like only.
Okay, so foundation is done, brows are done, and you can already see everything coming together. Like baby, that makeup is looking good. Okay, period. So now what we're gonna do, we're getting to the fun stuff. Everything's fun, but we're getting to the fun stuff. We're gonna apply some concealer and we're gonna highlight our face. So I apply my concealer here, and I put a little bit here and right here as well. I really go heavy under my eyes because I like it to be like a bright under eye look. So I use my Morphe concealer. And for my under eyes, I'm gonna go back in with my LA Girl concealer on top of my Morphe because I like it to be like really bright and dramatic under my eye. I just love watching my makeup come together. Like, girl, you look good. I'm telling myself, like, girl, what is you worried about? Like, you look good. Don't worry about a thing. Hold on. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know why my throat be, it ain't corona or nothing, but like sometimes when I be talking, my throat be trying to stop me from talking. Like, hello? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe powder. I have the colors Banana Rich, and then I have Translucent. This is like a yellow one. I kind of like this one. I like to use this one like under my eyes and on my highlight because my concealer kind of is like a high yellowish brown color. Like it's a bright color, so I like to use this one under my eyes. And then I use this on the rest of my face to like set it in because I have oily skin. So just put that all over to soak up the oil. Let that sit there for a minute and bake. I'm gonna go ahead and contour a little bit. Now, with my contour, I don't like to go too dark because for some reason, if I go too dark, it just kind of messes up my makeup. This palette by Black Radiance, I see a lot of people use this, but that's because this palette is bomb. Like I use the colors medium to dark. Like even that right there, once I blend that, that's probably enough because you can already see how dark it is on my face. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more on the other side, with a little bit of that one. And then the jawline a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Period. Then I go in around my edges with the dark color. That looks good. And now I'm just gonna go in and wipe off this. And then I like to go in with this powder right here, this middle shade, and put it on top of the foundation, just a little bit, just to help blend everything out. Okay, and really guys, we're almost done with this. Okay, so after that, I move into highlights. And for today's highlight, let's see what I want to use. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's giving like, oh, who is she? Like, why is she looking so good over there? That's what I be trying to give. Okay, and I don't want to blind nobody, you know what I'm saying, with too much glow. And you just see that little bit right there, you know, it just gives a little bit of like a bad bitch glow. And then I go in using my finger. I just go like that, and I like my lips to like pop, you know what I'm saying. They say the eyes, the lips, and the brows are like the most important part, so I like to make sure my lips is popping, and you know what I'm saying, they look good. So I go on in right here and like highlight my Cupid's bow. And yeah, and then right here, I'm not sure what that's called right there, but that little part right there help define my lips and give them more, you know, a little bit more definition. And then I go in right here, just a little bit, not a lot. So a little bit goes a long way. That did a lot right there. And then a little pop on my nose. And then just a little bit, taking a little bit and going like that. And highlighting the places where I highlighted my face. Not a lot though, just a little bit. Okay. I don't really wear like a lot of eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna put like maybe just like one solid color on top of there. This is the palette I use. I believe I got this palette from TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go in with, actually I'm gonna use this shade right here and this shade right here. This just looks like a light kind of pinkish cream, and then this is like a rose goldish gold color, brownish gold. So those two, yeah. Again, I don't really wear a lot of eyeshadow, but in the future I do plan on practicing more and learning how to do it better, but it's just never something I really wore a lot, so I don't really do it often, but I do a little bit here and there. Okay, so that's it for eyeshadow. Go in with a little bit of liner under my eyes. I'm just gonna use dark brown. I don't want to use black because I don't want it to be like too dark. And then lastly, I'm going to apply my lashes, and we're just about done after that. Okay, yeah. So one lash has been applied, and I used to use my fingers to do my lashes, but when I'm initially applying the lash tweezers or eyelash applicator, y'all, it makes it so much easier. Like, that saves me so much time. After I do that, I just go in with mascara to blend my natural lashes with the lash extensions. So just like that. Sometimes my lashes have like foundation on them and you can like see it underneath. So I just use this to help it all be one color. And then go in and put a bit on my bottom, just a little bit. So we're just about done here, guys, and what I'm gonna do is line my lips a little bit with brown liner, because I don't really wear lipstick too much. Really, I just wear clear lip gloss. Sometimes I'll wear like a nude color, but usually it's just clear for me with this brown lip liner. And yeah. And I'm gonna go back in a little bit with some more of this highlights. Put that on top of my lip. I really like to go heavy on that because I love my lips to be like dramatic and noticeable. Like, I love my lips. Then I go in with a little bit of lip gloss. I got the mint one. I got the rosehip oil, vitamin E. I got the honey one. I got this shadewear one. I even have the blue one. I have the orange one too, but I think those are in my purse. But I literally love this lip gloss brand. So let's apply that now. So let me take off this head thing and fix my hair real quick, and then I'm gonna come close out this video, because y'all, that's it. That's my makeup tutorial. That's my everyday tutorial, and that's how I get my face beat.